In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to monday.com. Uploading files is a really useful way to keep everything your team needs in one place, instead of hunting through email threads or random folders. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to attach files directly to your monday.com board. First, start by opening the board where you want to add your files. This might be a project board, a content calendar, a sales pipeline, or anything else you're working on. Make sure you're in the correct board so the files end up in the right context for your team. Once your board is open, look toward the top of the screen for the plus sign that lets you add a new view. This is sometimes shown as plus or plus view. Click on that plus icon. This opens a list of different view types you can add to your board, such as charts, dashboards, and more. From that list, choose the option called Files. This creates a Files view for your board, which is designed specifically for managing uploaded documents, images, and other file types. After you click on Files, monday.com will open a new tab or section within your board that's focused on your files. Next, click on the table or area where you want the files to be associated. In many setups, this means selecting the specific item or group in your board where the files belong. For example, if you're working on a specific task or project item, make sure you click on that item so your files stay organized and easy to find later. Now, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to upload your files from. Depending on your setup, you might be able to upload directly from your computer or connect to cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or others. Select the source that works best for you. If you're on your computer, you can either browse to the file location or simply drag and drop the files into the upload area if that's supported. Once you've selected your files, confirm the upload and wait a moment for them to finish. When the upload is complete, you'll see your files listed in the Files view and linked to the relevant items on your board. From there, your team can preview, download, or comment on them, keeping everything organized and accessible in one centralized place.